Hi, everyone. Lovely to see you all here today. Welcome, welcome. Great to see so many people joining us today in our Polkadot Hackathon. I'm just going to give it a minute or two just to make sure everyone has ample time to join. In the meantime, feel free to ping in the chat, introducing yourself, where you're based. We love to see how global our audience is. So yes, go ahead and just do that. I will actually start. So hi all. Hi, everyone. Lovely to see you all. Good mornings. Lovely good mornings. Ooh, Amsterdam. Amazing. Hello. Berlin, Argentina. Amazing. Yes, we love to see it. So yeah, guys, keep the chat flowing. We love to see it. But in the meantime, while people are still joining, I'm just going to share some links in the chat just to make sure everyone has access to them. So let me go ahead and do that. Awesome. So there we go. So as people are joining, I'll just quickly run through these links. So yes, if you haven't already, please do sign up to our Discord. All our team members are there, and also you'll have your dedicated Polkadot Hackathon channel. So all things hackathon related will be on here. Next is our Twitter page. Please do follow us on Twitter, stay updated. We love to hear from our hackers and all our participants. And thirdly is our webpage. So yes, if you want a refresher on all our workshops, bounties, all things Polkadot Hackathon related, feel free to check that out. And last but not least, our very own hacker pack. So you should have received an email from me today, but if not, don't worry, here's our hacker pack. Everything you need to know about our our hackathon. So workshops, speakers, bounties, challenges, all is here. So yes, feel free to have a read. But yes, nice to see everyone joining again. Let's see, we have Colombia, lovely. Venezuela, lovely. So yeah, it's always great to see how global our outreach is. So amazing stuff, guys. So again, I'll just give it another minute before. Oh, awesome. Thanks, guys. So, of course, welcome to Polkadot Hackathon with the Encode Club. Super excited to see you all here today. Lovely to see so many faces. We can't wait to see what the next 4 weeks will be in plan. So, just to get started, a brief introduction from me. My name is Johanna, and I'll be your program manager for this Polkadot Hackathon. Feel free to pop me a message on Discord, LinkedIn, Twitter, all things. I promise I'm very chatty and happy to talk. So yes, any questions about the Polkadot Hackathon at any time, please do pop me a message. But of course, a brief introduction about Encode Club. So Encode Club, we are a Web3 education community. So we do help developers learn, build, and find their career path in Web3. And we do this through numerous ways. So we do this in numerous ways. So we have an educational series. So we recently just finished our Polkadot Educate series. So massive shout out if you participated on that. We also have hackathons like this one. Like this one. So exciting stuff. We tend to work with some of the big names in the blockchain space. So please do keep an eye out for other hackathons we have in case you're interested. On top of that, we also have accelerators, which essentially help startups form into companies. So if you need support with funding, connections, all that jazz, we also have that program. And we also have boot camps, so free online boot camps with some of incredible speakers happening. And last but not least, we have an incredible and very talented talent team. So all things talent related, we have incredible events happening actually. So please do keep up to date on our social media. Not to spoil anything, but we do have a job fair happening next week. So if you guys are keen on that, our talent team would love to hear from you. But yeah, so without further ado, I'd love to call on our very own head of research and programs just to give a few words for our Polkadot Hackathon. So Omji, if you could.
Hello, everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome to the event today. I'm very happy to see also some of the familiar names here. Especially like Polkadot Hackathon, we have had like a Polkadot Educate, which is done recently, but also like a 2021 and beginning of the 2022, we run the like Educate and Hackathon, which was followed by Accelerator. I was in touch with the like teams who are building on Polkadot ecosystem every week. I remember that was the amazing time, and we are happy that we can start a new cycle of it. Some of you are gonna meet us in person also at Encode. So we are very excited to welcome you here. Hackathon going to be a very fun journey, especially if you just finished the Educate. It means that you can have the hands-on workshop, learning further and building something with your team. And also, if you are like a kind of new to the space, this is a nice way to try, like a different tag and keep building little components and playing around. And also, if you're looking for the job, there is like a bunch of experts here who are going to help you to get some feedback on your project, and potentially they will be a company or project you are working at. And another thing, if you want to build your own project, they will be your seniors in this space. We're going to be sharing the best tips for your future journey. So we are very welcoming you. And if you have any question, feel free to reach out. And I'm looking forward to your next steps.
Hello? Yep. Sorry, rookie mistake. Thanks so much, OMG. But yeah, I was super excited to have you all with us today. So just a brief introduction to the Encode and Polkadot Hackathon in case this is your first in case it's your first Encode Hackathon with us today. Our hackathons are usually 4 weeks long, and of course this one is centered all around building on Polkadot. Also a great opportunity to win some awesome prizes for you guys. But key dates are shown below. Make sure you keep these marked in your diary. So for example, submission deadline is on the 7th of May, and the hackathon finale and prize giving is on the 31st of May. Definitely not ones to miss. So yeah, on top of that, we also have some amazing workshops lined up for you with our incredible sponsors. So for example, tomorrow we will have the Acala team teaching us how to develop Acala EVM Plus with chopsticks. The next day, we'll be having a deep dive into ink with the Astar ecosystem, And on top of that, in the end of this week, the end of this week, we'll be having squid development deep dive. Let's conquer the giant squid. So super exciting stuff that you definitely should keep your eyes peeled for. All these are in the Hacker Pack, so please do have a read. All the speakers will also be on there. So what happens during a hackathon? So first things first, please do register via the link in the chat. This is just so the team can see who's participating, and all our event invites are shared accordingly. So of course, we wouldn't want anyone to miss out. Next step would be to form a team. Some of you have already registered with a team, which is great. For those looking for team members, we'll definitely support you in that regard. So yeah, just ping us a message. We're very happy to help. Of course, make sure to build your project. Super excited to see all the great things in store. We're super keen. Seem like a very talented bunch. So very happy to see that. And last but not least, of course, you'll have one-to-one mentorship. You can have support from me. Feel free to ping anyone on the Encode team. But also, we'll be having some technical support as well. So just do let us know if you need any help in that regard. And last but not least, of course, just submit your project, and we'll let you know about the outcomes in terms of that. So yeah, our support. So like I said, we'll be having a lot of workshops throughout this time from our sponsors. So a lot of technical workshops to help you build your projects to help you build your projects and help you really progress in that regard. We also have a Discord community. Like I said, please do join Discord. This is an amazing chance to meet up with like-minded people, so that, again, you can just learn from each other. And hackathons are super fun. Super talented people always join. And like I said, we have such a massive global outreach. So a great time to meet someone new. And of course, one-to-one support. As your program manager, I'm here to support you with anything you need. So yes, do ping me a message if that is the case. So without further ado, I'd love to introduce our sponsors for today. So of course, Polkadot, which is incredible, really, really super lucky. We have Astar, Acala, Interlay, Subquery, Subsocial, Subsquid, and Zeitgeist with us today. And we're actually, again, really, really lucky to have some of the team with us. So the Acala, Astar, and Subsquid team are joining us today. So if I could call on Ermal from the Acala team just to say a couple of words to our hackers, that'd be great. Okay, I think there might be some technical difficulties, so I might go back to that one. If that's the case, do we have any the Astar team with us today? So Shun? Yes, all good.
Okay, great. Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Shun from Astar. I'm glad to support this hackathon. So Polkadot needs momentum, and then Polkadot enable Wasm smart contract already. I mean, really soon. So recently. So I'm really excited to see the new cases by using in contract or Wasm smart contract or XCM. There is a bunch of really cool technology in the Polkadot ecosystem. So I'm really looking forward for your support, for your contribution, for your activity. Thank you.
Thanks so much for that, Shun. That was amazing. I've just been warned that Ermal is here, so if we could call up Ermal to the stage, that'd be great.
Permission or whatever. Yeah, like it was said before, we're super happy to foster the developers and grow the ecosystem overall, and we love Polkadot's ecosystem in general. And I myself, I delivered the previous workshop a few weeks ago, and I'm going to deliver the one at the end of this one. So stay tuned, be ready to dive deep into the ocean with Giant Squid, and looking forward to see what interesting submission will come out of the hackathon. Thank you for having us as a sponsor.
Amazing. Thanks so much, Massimo, for the very kind words. We're very, very happy to have you join us for this hackathon today. I heard that Ermal was having some connectivity issues. I just wanted to know if there were any updates on that. If you could, we'd love to hear from him now. Oh, yes, sorry. No, please go ahead.
Having issue with giving permission to my microphone. Hey everyone, I'm Ermal from Acala. Tomorrow I will hold the workshop to talk about the chopstick and Acala AVM Plus. So yeah, very excited to be on this workshop. I guess we'll find more tomorrow. Very excited to be here.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Ermal. Thanks for the kind words. Really happy to see you
tomorrow. Yeah.
So, but yeah, of course, just to go back. So yeah, so the first challenge, Acala. So yeah, build a dApp with an Acala EVM Plus. In this challenge, you have to use at least one of the following features in your project. So a wormhole bridge, Acala pre-deploy contracts, or Polkadot wallet integration. And in this challenge, you have 3 prizes up for grabs. So first, second, and third place. Next challenge is to build a tool with chopsticks. So build a tool using chopsticks. For example, take current governance referendum and dry run it with chopsticks and display the output. And again, 3 prizes up for grabs, so super exciting for everyone. Our next challenge is then with Zeitgeist. Zeitgeist is a SDK challenge. And in this challenge, you have to build a game or integrate prediction market technology into your project using Zeitgeist SDK. And the prize here is 3,000 USDC or 1,000 ZTG. Our challenge with Subsocial is a plugin challenge. So create a plugin for Subsocial with a Gatsby and Ghost platforms. So again, price up here is up to 3K. Another Subsocial challenge is our Grill Chat challenge. So extend the functionality of Grill Chat. And similar to our other Subsocial challenge, the price is up to 3K. Our Interlay challenge is the Kintsugi challenge, which is to build a dApp for Bitcoin on the Kintsugi platform. So here the prize is up to $3,000 worth of INTR. So super, super exciting from Interlay's challenge. Following on from that, we actually have an Interlay and Astar joint challenge, which is the Ink challenge. So it is to build Ink smart contracts for Bitcoin. So in this challenge, again, price is up to $5,000. Astar WASM dApp challenge. So here we have to create a dApp using Ink, WASM smart contracts, or serving the WASM smart contract ecosystem. So a bit different to our other challenges. In this challenge, our prize is a 3-month mentor program at Astar with the possibility of a grant after the program. So for those who are wanting some extra support in terms of mentoring, this one's definitely for you. Very, very, very cool. And another Astar challenge is the prediction market challenge. So create a dApp that will allow users to create prediction markets, defining the market question outcomes, options, resolution source, and market end time. Again, it's a 3-month mentor program with Astar and the possibility of a grant after a program. Subsquid challenge, I think my favorite name challenge, the Giant Squid challenge. Hackers must complete one of the following sub-challenges. So number 1, data validation tool for the Giant Squid. Number 2, status react component for Giant Squid APIs. And number 3, new Giant Squid API and delegate account. So the prizes are 2 best entries and 1.5K each. So each entry must complete one of the sub challenges, and then the best entries amongst all of them will be chosen. And so those are all our challenges. Just to run through some quick frequently asked questions. Who can take part? Everyone and anyone can take part in our hackathons. We love to see everyone participate. Super, super welcome. Second question is, do I need a team? No, absolutely not. We help you match one, or you can build solo. So feel free just to let us know so that we can update our kind of records, and just so that we can help you in that regard too. Can I enter an existing project? Yes, you can, as long as you show that you have, of course, introduced significant feature improvements, as all our projects are based on the progression made during the hackathon. This is how our judges will kind of look at our project. So yeah, definitely can do that. But of course, we really do encourage all our hackers to keep building. Where can I find other resources for this hackathon? So yeah, please do check out the Hacker Pack. it's a one-stop shop for all our hackers, all our workshops, deadlines, times, workshop recordings as well. I see some people are asking questions in the chat. All of this will be updated in the Hacker Pack. So yeah, please do have a read of the Hacker Pack. Everything will be on there. Where does the organization happen? Discord. All of the team are on Discord. We are very, very active. So yeah, please ping us on Discord if you have any issues, technical, if you can't join one of our calls, or for example, you need some support also on your project. We are very happy to help. And kind of following on from that, will there be technical support? Yes, if that's the case, of course, like I've been mentioning quite a lot of times in this launch event, feel free to ping me or any of the team for any extra support you may need. So next step. So of course, as I said at the start, please do join our Discord. The link is in the chat if you haven't done so already. So yeah, please join our Discord, join our community kind of channels. You'll have your own dedicated Polkadot channel on there. Find teammates. If you are looking for teammates, please do let us know, and we'll kind of organize that all as well on Discord. Participate in the workshops. So starting tomorrow, actually, we'll be having our first workshop. So please do sign up, make sure you're registered, and do engage like you are all doing here already. And last but not least, of course, build your project. We are super, super excited to see what you guys are up to in the next 4 weeks. So yes. Any questions? Of course, feel free to put them in our questions chat here on Livestorm. So let's see. Is there a dedicated Discord channel? Yes, there will be a dedicated Discord channel. If you join the Discord, it should be automatic. If you have any problems with that, please do let the team know. When is the team finding event? If there is none, let's say Thursday, 9 o'clock. The team finding event, there isn't a dedicated slot to finding teams, if that's what you're referring to, Frank. We kind of do this kind of along the day. So if you do need a team, please do let us know ASAP, and we can connect you with other people on the hackathon looking for teams. Amazing. Okay. Questions in terms of like registrations links and Astar prizes and all that, all of them are linked in the Hacker Pack. So all information regarding that should be there. I will resend the links now just in case they got a bit lost in the chat. So here it is. There we go. So yeah, anyone who's kind of looking for links, they're all here. Some more questions. How can we get connected to other team members? So yeah, so if you've joined our Discord, you can just ping us on there and we'll let you know how to go about it. Yes, please do register for all our events. You should be getting a calendar invite for each, but just to make sure, if you could, that'd be great. Any other questions regarding the Polkadot Hackathon? You will know if you are registered in the hackathon. You should have received an email from me. If you have, sorry for the background noise, but yeah, you would have received an email from me if you are registered in the hackathon. So yeah, that's one way. Oops, sorry. There we go. Hacker Pack does not have the link for the 18th. Yes, we are constantly updating our Hacker Pack, so all the links will be there in good time. So yes, we thank you for your patience. The workshops will be recorded. I'm pretty sure they are recorded on YouTube so that you guys can watch them anytime you want. John Paul asks, how can I add a member? Just to clarify, is this like your team member that needs to register? Team member, yeah. If you go to the link above, there is a section that says register now. If your team member could enter their email on there and just register, just so that we can send all the invites accordingly too, that would be great. Thanks. Awesome. Some of you have said that you haven't received an email from me. Not to worry. I'll definitely email tomorrow before the workshop event, just as a reminder. So yes, hopefully we can see you there. Awesome, awesome. Any other questions, guys? The dedicated team channel. Oh, yes, we'll definitely look into it. Thank you, Serge, for your feedback. Will we receive email invites to workshops? Yes, you should do. If not, you can register per event individually. Yes, you should do per event, sorry. You should receive email invites to workshops individually, but if not, you can register for them. Awesome. As I said, a lot of the information will be in your hacker packs. So if you have any questions regarding that, do feel free to ping me a message. If not, please do read the hacker packs. Most of the information should be there. But yes, let's see if there are any more questions. Josh asks, how do we locate community onboarding question? Sorry, Josh, what was that kind of a question referring to? Is that to do with the Polkadot Discord channel? Yes. When you join Discord, it should be at the top of the Discord's channel list. If you kind of click on it and join, it should be available to you. Oh, Jamal asks, is there a limit to how many bounties we can get applied to? If I understand correctly, and please, if the team are there to correct me, I'm pretty sure there is no limit. But yes, if the team could just kindly double check that, that'd be great. Just see a couple more people typing. There we go. Can we submit more than one project? Again, just to double check, I'm pretty sure you can. So yeah, no limits on how many bounties to take, and yes, you can submit to more than one project. Noble asks, after the hackathon, can we get opportunities to work with you or any other company? Yes, we offer a lot of support in that regard. During kind of the 4 weeks, this is kind of a great opportunity. Again, if you are interested in something particular, do reach out to the team and we'll be more than happy to support you in that case. But yes, our support doesn't only exist within the 4 weeks. We are super, super happy to assist you even after the 4 weeks. So yes. Is there a list of mentors per sponsor or bounty? No list of mentors per sponsor. It's just kind of just let us know what kind of support you're seeking and we'll kind of assist you in the right way possible. And then again, kind of similar answer in terms of bounty. Great to see people already searching for teammates on the chat. We love to see it. Awesome. Any last minute questions from anyone? But yeah, of course, if there are any questions even after this event, please do feel free to message us on Discord. All the events, brilliant. All the links are in the chat. Please do stay updated with Encode. The job fair is actually just been posted in there. So if you're keen to join our job fair next week, we'd love to see you there. Again, you can meet our amazing talent team to find out any support you need. But if that's the case and there are no more questions, thanks so much everyone for joining. Super keen to hear from you all in the next upcoming weeks. And thank you for all your patience with the technical difficulties today. We really appreciate it. But without further ado, I'll let you guys have an amazing evening, afternoon, or morning, wherever you are in the world. So see you all tomorrow. Bye, guys.